Hi everyone, Tim Burns here from Internal Movable Monday. I'm excited to announce a new solution ATI has developed for light-duty grinding. The CGV is a pneumatically powered compliant angle grinder. It runs at 12,000 RPM and 1.2 horsepower. Recently, Kane Robitcs used the CGV in Fort Worth, Texas to grind welds on formed metal stabilizers for the oil and gas industry. In the pictures below, you can see Kane's CGV-enabled grit system remove a weld and prepare the surface for powder coating. Only a week after install, the CGV has already ground over 2,500 stabilizers. Kane Robitcs was able to eliminate a dangerous task at a bottleneck in the factory. They told me last week the weld robot is already having trouble keeping up with the system. Little by little, we're using automation to eliminate bottlenecks in production flow and free up employees to be redeployed where their human judgment is more critical. For more information on the CGV, go to ati-ia.com/CGV. Thanks, guys.